Hello everyone. In this class, let us study regarding matrices. Okay, this concept matrix has wide range of applications in the field of science, humanities and engineering. So it has very important applications in computer science engineering. Also in mathematics, we are basically using these matrices to solve system of linear equations. So in this class, let us see what is the meaning of matrix, order of the matrix and its different types. So first let us see what is the meaning of matrix. So matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers or functions. So matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers or functions in rows and columns. So this rectangular arrangement of numbers or functions in rows and columns, we call it as a matrix. So usually we are going to put a square bracket, okay, along this rectangular arrangement of numbers or functions. So let us see some examples. So consider 1, 2, minus 1, 4. So here we have numbers. The numbers 1, 2, minus 1, 4, which are arranged in rows in as well as columns. And we are enclosed. These numbers are enclosed by a square bracket. So consider some more examples. Cos x, tan x, e power x, 1, 0, sin x. So this is also an example for a matrix. So here the numbers are arranged in rectangular fashion and enclosed by square brackets. But in this case we have numbers as well as functions, again arranged in rectangular fashion. Okay, that is in terms of rows and columns. Again we are enclosed by a square brackets. So these are the examples for matrix. So matrix is the singular form and matrices is the plural form. So usually we are going to denote matrix by capital letters of the English alphabet, say A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. And elements of the matrix we are going to denote by small letters A, B, C, so on of the English alphabet. So suppose consider a matrix having m rows. Suppose there is a matrix having m rows and n columns. M rows and n columns. Then we are going to say this is the matrix of order m by n. We are going to read it as m by n. Okay. So suppose a matrix is of the order m by n, then it has m into n elements. M into n elements. So total number of elements in the matrix of order m by n is how much? That is m into n. So if you see these examples, so this is the matrix of order 2 by 2, because we have two rows. So this is the first row, this is the second row. We have two rows as well as 2 columns. So this column as well as this column. So order of this matrix becomes 2 by 2. Similarly, if we consider this example, here we have, again, this is first row, this is the second row. So that is 2 rows and 3 columns. First column, second column, third column. So order of this matrix becomes 2 by 3. So suppose A is the matrix of order m by n, then we are going to write A like this. A is equals to Aij m by n. So this is the general notation of the matrix, or we can write it as like this also. A11, A12, A1j, so on, A1n, A21, A22, so on, A2j, A2n, AI1, AI2, so on, Aij, Ain, so on, AM1, AM2, AMJ, so on, AMN. So A matrix of order m by n, we can write like this also. So here A11 means this is the element lies in first row, first column. Similarly, A12 means the element lies in first row, second column, so on. In general, if we consider the element Aij means it is the element which lies in ith row and jth column. So this is the general notation of an element which lies in ith row and jth column. Okay, this is the general notation of the matrix of order m by n. Or we can write like this also. A is equals to Aij of the order m by n, where I takes the values 1 to m because it has m rows, and j takes values 1 to n because it has n columns. Now let us see what are the different types of matrices. So in matrix also there are different types according to the order and elements. So first is the types of matrices. So types, first one, row matrix. Row matrix. So a matrix having only one row, we call it as the row matrix. Okay, irrespective of number of columns. But if the number of rows is 1, we call it as the row matrix. See one example. So 1, 5, 6. So here in this matrix, we have only one row. So if we see the order of this matrix, it is 1 by 3. Okay, we have one row, 3 columns. So order is 1 by 3. So if the matrix has only one row, we call it as the row matrix. So if you want, we can consider one more example. Sin x 0, 1, 6. So here also order of this matrix is 1 by 4 because it has one row, 4 columns. So these are what? These are examples for a row matrix. So in general, suppose A is the matrix of order m by n. Suppose A is the matrix of order m by n. A is the matrix of order m by n. Then we call it as the row matrix if m is equals to 1. So if the number of row is 1, then we are going to call it as row matrix. So second one, column matrix. Column matrix. So it is similar to row matrix. In row matrix, we should have only one row. In column matrix, we should have only one column, okay, irrespective of number of rows. Suppose see one example, 6, 7, 9. So in this matrix, what we have? We have only one column, but 3 rows. So order of this matrix is 3 by 1. So this is an example for column matrix. If you want, you can consider one more example. Suppose tan x 0, 6.5 minus 10. So here also order of this matrix is 4 by 1 because we have 4 rows and 1 column. Whenever the given matrix has only one column, we call it as the column matrix. So in any matrix, suppose B is the matrix of order m by n with n is equals to 1, then we call it as the column matrix. Third one is singleton matrix. Singleton matrix. Suppose a matrix has only one element, okay. Suppose consider like this. This is the matrix having only one element, 0. Or consider e power x. So here also the matrix has only one element. Whenever the given matrix has only one element, we call it as the singleton matrix. Fourth one, zero or null matrix. Zero or null matrix. So as the name indicates, if all the elements of the matrix are 0, then we call it as the zero matrix or null matrix. So examples are 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is the zero matrix of order 2 by 2. We can consider 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is also an example for zero matrix of order 1 by 5. Okay, or we can say it is also a row matrix. Okay, row matrix as well as zero matrix.